Good afternoon. Today I will explain the homework 1 2 problem. Here are the questions for that. First, we need to select the customer ID, our name, and surname as a combined field in the email address. So I'm doing that one here. I'm using the select command to retrieve the custom ID and first name and last name as a full name. So in the question we need to specify as the one field in the both columns. So that is I do here and the email address. After that we get the some details of the customer and full names of the person who the customer details and email address here. And here is the show on the last 10 customers and surname in the order list of their surnames. So here's the query for that. Select from the customer. I need to retrieve the customer's name, last name. That's from the last of the records. And here's the calculate the number of completed payments and the number of customers who completed these payments. Here the query for that. Count how many total payments are in the payment table and count the customers in the customer table. I mean payments table. That is for this. And we have one more query for that. Show the data for the latest 10 peoples of the completed payments. Here is the query for that. Here this query written the all 10, I mean all the details of the customers from from the latest of the 10, and we can filter the data from the payments date. So for the short and new the oldest, and take the first 10 rows. And here the show total amount of the spent by the customers with the ID, the range between the 11 to 12, 20. So here the query for that. I use the select command, and here's the sum to sum out amount. We need to add the sum, I mean amount of the peoples. And here I'm using the between command to calculate the amount from I mean to find the IDs with the 11 to 20, and group by and ordered by to sort the result. I mean to sort the customer IDs and group. I mean some of the customers IDs amount used for the group ID. Show the ID of the customers who spent in the total less than 50. So for this query, I use the select command for the and group by and having some. Why I'm using here is the having in place of the where. Having is used for the group by the column and count. That is the reason we use the sum here. That's it. Thank you.